凌晨2點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨2點，強烈熱帶風暴暹芭集結喺香港之西南約320公里，即係北緯20度。東經112.3度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約16公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸一帶。按照現時預測路徑，暹芭會喺今日早上最接近香港，喺本港西南約300公里附近掠過。與暹芭相關嘅雨帶會間中為本港帶嚟大驟雨及猛烈陣風。本港多處地區現正吹烈風，高地間中更達至暴風程度。此外，本地正逐漸轉吹東南風，部分地區會變得當風。8號烈風或暴風信號會喺今日早上5點前維持。市民早上出門前請留意最新天氣報告。喺過去1小時，昂坪、塔門及長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時99、70及68公里，最高陣風分別為每小時130、84及91公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
2 a.m. Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast gale storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 2 a.m., severe tropical storm Chaba was centered about 320 km southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.0 degrees north, 112.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 km per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Chaba will be closest to Hong Kong this morning, skirting about 300 km to the southwest of the territory. The rain bands associated with Chaba will bring occasional heavy showers and violent gusts to Hong Kong. Gale force winds are affecting many places of Hong Kong, while winds on high ground even reach storm force occasionally. Besides, local winds are gradually turning southeasterlies. Some places may become more exposed. The number 8 gale storm signal will remain in force before 5 a.m. this morning. Members of the public are advised to take note of the latest weather information before leaving home in the morning. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngongping, Tap Moon and Chung Shou Beach were 99, 70 and 68 km per hour with maximum gusts 130, 84 and 91 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio for the latest weather information broadcast in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。